Hi, Keith Cronin here today, and I want to show you a great way that you can use your VibraCool to do core stabilization exercises. Now, we commonly think of a VibraCool as being used for controlling pain, which it does amazingly, but it can be used also in conjunction with your core stabilization exercises because commonly pain is what is limiting you. Now, it may not be something such as major tissue damage, but anyone who's had chronic back pain, such as myself, I'm not just the present, I'm also a client, having something to be able to control those moderate amounts of pain that occur while you're trying to get your body more stable and more controlled is a huge benefit. And with the VibraCool, you can put the device directly over the area of pain, and then you can do your exercises without being hindered by some cords, or if you have a TENS unit or some other pain control device that's just dragging off of you. Well, this is just way simpler. So for myself, over the L3, L4 over the left side of my back is where I commonly have the most pain, particularly when I get stressed and irritated, or if I'm having weakness or I have bending over too much during the day. So what I want me to do is, using this device, I can actually just tie it directly onto the band, and then hit the button, and then what I can do is just go directly into the exercises that I would be doing. So for simple exercises, such as doing cat back to get range of motion, and then simpler ones where we're actually doing core stabilization with just the legs, or just the arms, or where we alternate and bring it in, the entire time the VibraCool is providing me localized pain control that will allow me to increase the amount that I can do this particular exercise, because I'm not going to be stopped by localized pain. Other things that you would commonly do, you're like, well, it's on my back, how am I going to do a bridge? No problem. Because with it, it's small enough that it's not going to encumber you. And so when we lay down and do our exercises, you'll feel that it'll come off a little bit, but then you just pull straight up, and you're going to get that high frequency vibration directly into the spot that you need it most. And then as you progress to higher level exercises, you'll have that control of pain from the VibraCool while you're doing it. Putting these things together with the exercises that you're doing can provide your patients that localized pain control that they're looking for, and can be a really strong benefit to getting them stronger, more controlled, and improving their movement patterns to help them now and the rest of their life.